Okay, so we have completed partially the act one of the caretaker, and we are heading towards completing the act. Maybe we will be able to complete this act today, or maybe not. Let's see. So till now we have seen that there are three main characters. Number one, Easton, who lives in a house owned by his brother Mick. All right. The second character is Mick. The house is owned by Mick, and third one is Davis. He is an old man who live as a Trump. Okay, we have already seen the ages, about the ages of all these three characters. Okay, so yes, so till now we have we come to know about only about the character of Easton and Davis. So, okay, so Aston is till now we have studied is a very kind character, very moral character. All right, and he is kind enough to. But yes, we also see that this character Davis, he is just taking advantage of his kind spirit. All right. So Aston, he has basically invited the Trump Davis or the vagabond Davis to his flat, okay, to his house, and he has offered everything. Okay, it can be it offering a seat or providing cigarettes or shoes or things. All right, so he is doing everything to provide comfort to the old man. All right, and we'll just come upon the character of Davis. We see Davis, he is little exaggerated, all right, in everything, and we see that he's not rather thankful, but rather exaggerate everything. He is exaggerating in depicting his own characters and how he used to live and all that. All right, if you want to have a detailed inquiry about the character, you can just check the first the first set of the lecture when we were doing the play. All right, so yes, till now we have done that. We have seen that when the play began, we see that Easton has invited Davis to his home. Okay, and yes, from their conversation we come to know that Davis was having some fight or some brawl with somebody, and Easton has just saved him. Okay, but he is like, no, I was fighting, all right, and I have a good hand over that person who was fighting with me. But anyways, okay, so yes, so we have seen till now that when Davis entered to the flat, he is just complaining about everything. All right, he said that things are so messy and all those things. Okay, so yes, he was complaining about he's being racist. Okay, he's an egotistical at the same time, and all those things. Okay, he is just trying to prove himself a that he is full of mannerisms. Okay, he's providing some inside information about his life, that he was not always like this. He was not always on the roads. Okay, once he has a family, he has a wife. But yes, because he is so full of manners, and he considered his wife a little flitty, and so he left his wife over a saucepan. Okay, over a brawl over a saucepan. Okay, so yes, so the same thing he does here also. Okay, so we were here. The last thing we have seen in the play was that Easton was offering a shoe. Okay, so he was offering a shoe to Davis, and Davis was like that, I cannot wear this shoe because I can just realize it that the shoe will be little tight to me. Okay, So yes. Yes, there was an instant earlier when he complained about that he could not find a seat because all Greeks and Poles and blacks, okay, they have filled the seat and they are not providing me seats, and they were treating me like a dirt. Okay, all right. So let's begin here from we were. Okay, so yes, we were here. Okay, so he was asking for the shoe. Okay, he said that he left his shoe. Okay, so he is like that shoes, they are like life and death. All right, because obviously he is a Trump, and the most important part of his life would be the shoes. Okay, so he basically left the shoes somewhere. Okay, he left it outside a monastery, and he lost it rather. Okay, all right. Okay, so yes, I think we have already studied this paragraph. We will just continue to the next slide. Okay. Now look here, I said, I am an old man. You can't talk to me like that. I don't care who you are. I do not. If you do not piss off, he say, I will kick you all the way to the gate. Okay. So yes. He is talking about an incident, okay, which happened before a monastery. Okay, so yes, he was talking about some monk, that how a monk has treated him. Okay, he said that he opened the door, big door. He opened it. Look here, Mister. I said, I come all the way down here. Look, I said, okay. You haven't got a pair of shoes, have you? A pair of shoes? I said, enough to keep me on my way. Look, these, they are nearly out. I said, they are no good to me. I had you got a stock of shoes here. Okay. He was just the same way he's asking credit to Easton. He was asking credits to the monastery head also. Okay, to the monk also. But yes, monks are rather, they are very pleasant and very, very kind creatures. But yes, he presented a different view of monks in his conversation. Okay, so he said to piss off. Okay, piss off is rather a derogatory term. He said just get lost. Okay, now here, look here, I said. So yes, he was basically like, okay, I am an old man, but you cannot, I am an old man and you cannot talk to me like that, and I really don't care who you are. Okay, I really don't care if you are a monk or you're a monastery head. But he rather say that if you don't piss off, I'll kick you all the way to the gate. So he was like, okay, you just need to get lost from here. So yes, there is a major need to analyze this character Davis. All right, because it's more like why people are treating him like that. From till now, how we have seen this character, he's like little exaggerated. He's like over. Okay, he's just trying to create an influence upon Easton, but while doing that, he is rather exaggerating, and more of a time I think he's lying. Okay, so yes, you just carefully need to study the character of Davis. At the same time, we are a little sorry about him. Okay, how the society, how the life has treated him, but at the same time, I think it is the behavior of this old man who is making the people or the society treat him like this. All right. So yes, he has started the quarreling with the monastery monk also now, and he was rather just asking for a pair of shoes, to which the monk had said that okay, I will not provide you, and I will rather kick you out from here. So he was like, no, I was just asking for a pair of shoes. And I do not want to start taking liberties with me, and it's taken me 3 days to get here. Okay, he was walking 3 days to get here. Okay, I am here 3 days without a bite. Without a bite, it means without a food. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything since 3 days. I'm worth a bite to eat. Okay, he's like forcing people that you should do credit to me. Getting it? He is not asking people for favor. He's rather forcing people to provide favors to him. Okay, so this is not a pleasant way to behave with people when you are asking. I have said that earlier also, that beggars cannot be choosers. Getting it? So he's like, he's saying people to, okay, you have to do it, like I have some credit on you. Getting it? So yes, but yes, monk, he do not care. Okay, so anyways, so when he said that, I'm worth a bite to eat, okay, you need to give me something to eat. So yes, then the monk had said that, okay, get out around the corner to the kitchen. Get out round the corner, and when you had your meal, piss off out of it. Okay, it is something in the behavior of this character Davis that people do not like him. Okay, he is a bit irritated, and he is so egotistical that you have to feed me, all right, you have to, like, they have some credit over him. So yes, monk has said, just go to the kitchen and have your meal, and you need to just get lost from this area. Getting it? So yes, he said, I went round to the kitchen. See, again, this is the behavior of the men. And meal they gave me. Alright, he's just being ironical, satiristical. Okay, the meal they provided me, it was not good. A bird, I tell you, a little tiny bird. He could have ate it under 2 minutes. Right. Okay. He said that they provide me bird. Okay, it's more like they have provided them some meat and things. Okay, and it was such a small bird, and he has ate it under 2 minutes. Now they said, okay, you had your meal, so just get off out of it. Meal, I said. Getting it? He's so selfish. The people have provided him meal, and he's so regardless of that. He's so degrading. He's so selfish. He said, what do you think I am? A dog? Nothing better than a dog. What do you think I am? A wild animal. What about them shoes I come all the way here to get? I heard you were giving away. Getting it? He is so into himself. He's just talking about himself. Okay, I have walked till this far because I have heard that you're giving some pair of shoes. Okay, so you, by giving me shoes, you are not doing any liberties over me, but rather I am doing liberty. I am taking shoes from you. Getting it? The thing is like that. Right. I have good mind to report you to your mother superior. One of them, an Arish Hollingen, come to me. I cleared out. I took a shortcut to Watford, pick up a pair there, got onto the North Circle, just past Hendon. The sole come off right where I was walking. Lucky I had my old one wrapped up, still carrying them, otherwise I have been finished, man. So I had to stay with these. You see, they are gone, they are no good. All the good gone, one of them. Getting it? So he's like, the footwears I'm wearing, they're gone, they're torn out, they're torn off. Because he walks around too much. Okay, he walks so much. So this is the long, you can say, monologue, that how his life been. Okay, how he has, how he has struggled with his life. okay, his struggles. But yes, at the same time, he has this maintained ego in itself. Okay, so he did not pay any heed to that. He just said, or he just replied, try these. Okay, so he has provided some shoes to try on, a pair of shoes to try on. Okay, so Davis is like, not a bad pair. Okay, so he said that, okay, these are not a bad pair. They are strong, all right, yes, not a bad shape of shoes. This leather's hardy, ain't it? Very hardy. Some bloke tried to flog me with some suit the other day. I wouldn't wear them. I can't beat leather for wear. Suit goes off, it creates crease. It's stained for life in 5 minutes. You can't beat leather. Yes, good shoe this is. Okay, so he has again a whole conversation for the shoes. Okay, all this long conversation for the shoes. Good. But David waggle his feet. Don't fit though. Oh, I got a very broad foot. These are too pointed, you see. Okay, he's rather not interested. Easton is rather not interested in all this talks. He talk a lot. Nobody like a person who talks a lot. Okay, especially I think for a person like Easton. Did it cripple me in a week? I mean, those ones I got on, they are no good, but at least they are comfortable. Not much cope. I mean, they do not hurt. Thanks anyway, mister. Okay, so he's like, okay, they can cripple me, all right. I do not want to do that because I have to walk. Okay, I have to walk around so much. Okay, so Easton is like, okay, I'll see what I can look for you. Good luck. Okay, I will wish a good luck for you. Okay, if you can find a good pair for me, if you can. I can go on like this, can't get from one place to another, and I'll have to move about, you see. Try to get fixed up. Getting it? I have to fix my life up. So for that, I have to move. I have to keep moving. Okay, so yes, where might you go? So he's very kind. Okay, he's like, where are you going? I got one or two things in my mind. I was waiting for weather to break. Pause. Easton, would you like to sleep here? Davis, here. Easton, you can sleep here if you like. Here, oh, I don't know about that. For how long? Okay, he's again asking for credits, that how long I can stay in this. Okay, in this flat, the place where I am. Till you get yourself fixed up. Well, that. Okay, he's like, okay, you can stay here. Okay, so this gas stove. Okay. So he's like, when you fix all the things in your life, okay, when you are settled till now, till you fix yourself up, till then you can stay here. Okay, so yes. So he's like, where I'm going to sleep. He's just pointing that there is a bed behind all that. That's handy. Okay, so he's like, okay. Okay. So he's like, this gas stove works, did it? What do you do for a cup of tea? Okay, he's not carving for a cup of tea. He said, nothing, I do nothing. So he's like, okay, it's a bit rough. You building something? Okay, I might build a shed out the back. So he's like, okay, so you're a carpenter, got a lawn. Have a look. So he's like showing him something. Okay, so these are the lesser conversation. I think you can read it. Okay, so yes, they're not important. Okay, see, he is again into some conversation about these things. Okay, the coins. Okay, yes, he has again, he is again he's again providing him some comfort, some credit, and he is taking the coins. Okay, he is giving him some coins. um Okay, he is providing some coins. Okay, he is providing a bit of money. Coins means money. And Davis, he thanks him, and he says that I happen to be find myself a bit short of it. Okay, so yes, he is thankful. At least he is thankful while he take money. Okay, I went to the pub the other day, ordered a guineas. They give it to me a thick. Okay, Easton is he's talking about some drink. Okay, and now okay, Davis, he's rather cursing the weather, and he hopes that it will break so he can go down to Sidcup. Okay, Sidcup, it is a place. Okay, he's just want to be on that place so that he can bring some papers. He can get his papers. There are some papers. Okay, how long it is? Okay, so they are the basic conversation. I think you can study it yourself. Not very tough, I think. So yes, all these conversation, okay, they play an important role in when we analyze the character of Davis. I think Davis is a strong character at the same time. Getting attendees question, they can ask question about the character of Davis, like how he built his characters up. Okay, so yes, also about Easton, he is just trying to overpower Easton in a while. Okay, he's not even ashamed of that. Okay, so yes, there is a greater need that you should analyze the character of Davis. So yes, there are not very long. I think the conversation, they are not very long, and they are not very tough at the same time. So you can, I think, study. Yes, and do one thing, that make a summary of the Act 1. All right. So yes.